Alright, Shade Tree Toolman here, and I got another tool organization item for you today, and you might be wondering what in the hell is that? Well, what you are seeing is the Tekton model number ORG41210, ORG41210. And this is a $17 item. Well, what it is, it looks like a file holder divider, something you might see in an office, but a miniature one. But it's actually a pliers organizer. And it has 10 slots to organize your pliers. Again, this is model number ORG41210. And it's listed currently on the Tekton website for $17. And we're going to organize my pliers. Alright, if you are curious as to the dimensions of this item, I'm going to show those now. Here are some of my pliers that I'm going to try to organize in this holder. Now, 8 of these pliers happen to be actual Tekton brand pliers that I have had in the past. A few different ones and some couple needle nose off-brand pliers that I don't know where they come from. Just something that I had for a long time. But I'm going to show you the dimensions. Alright. In terms of length, as you can see here, this item is actually just shy of 10 inches long. And then in terms of height, at about the highest point, it is approximately just shy of 3 inches tall and just shy of 4 inches wide. And now we are actually going to organize the pliers. And so a very simple concept, you just start placing your pliers vertically inside the slots. Now, if you had some pliers that were very wide, they may not fit in the slots. But as you can see here, these are definitely fitting so far. And we're going to see what all will fit in here in terms of pliers here. So far, things seem to be fitting just fine. I got a few different pairs of pliers here. And just a very simple concept here. All you're doing is standing the pliers up on its side vertically, and then the dividers hold them up. Nothing fancy. Now, I know there's other tool brands out there that there's other options you can buy for an item like this. I don't know what the prices are or who all offers one, but I know you don't have to go with Tekton. There are some other options out there, but I saw this on the Tekton website, and for only $17, you know, I thought that was a very affordable item to organize some pliers. Once people have their pliers organized in the holder, a lot of people like to put these in their roll carts or tool carts, like a snap-on cart, or perhaps you got a Harbor Freight Icon cart. Now, as you can see here, all 10 of those pliers fit in this holder just fine, and it stands them up on edge vertically on the side. But that's your item, and this might be something you would be interested in.